Hi children, today I will discuss about friction force from the class 8th. What is a friction? Friction is a force that opposes the motion of an object due to surface contact. Next, friction occurs because the surface of any object is rough. Even surfaces that feel smooth are covered with microscopic hills and valleys. Now, when two surfaces are in contact, the hills and valleys of one surface stick to the hills and valleys of the other surface. Next, friction depends on two factors. They are 1. The roughness of the surface. 2. External force acting on the surface. See here, two surfaces. One is the rough surface, second is the smooth surface. Will the tube roll less distance over a smooth surface or rough surface? Why? Let us see their activity. And see, observe this. On the smooth surface, the tube rolls more distance. On the rough surface, the tube rolls less distance. So, what we concluded that here it rolls more distance and rough surface travels less distance. So, we concluded that the tube roll less distance over the rough surface because there are more hills and valleys, and the hills and valleys are deeper. Now see here. See here, two boxes are there. One box having mass of 50 kg, second one is 25 kg. Which one has more friction and why? You see, the mass is more, the force exerted with the block is also more. So what we concluded that the 50 kg box has more friction because the force exerted by it is higher, so the hills and valleys are in closer contact. Now, what we learn? Friction is a force that opposes the motion of an object due to surface contact. Next, friction depends upon two factors: roughness of the surface, force. Now, rough surface has more friction than the smooth surface. If the force increases, then the friction is also increases.